atmosphere सारा खत्म हो गया. All those rich biodiversity hotspots have become into climate hotspots now. Right now, you may know or not, my state Manipur is on fire. वो भी जल रहा है. Many illegal immigrants, the other community cookies, are doing massive deforestation to plant the poppy seeds, the poppy plants. And to this, we're facing intense flash floods, massive hailstorms, and many people have lost their lives, and many children like me are out of school. My people of Manipur, we the Meitei people, in our own state, we're living like refugees. We're living in relief camps. Children can't even go to school. Any which ways, मैं भुवनेश्वर ओडिशा में मैं grew up हुई.